see Steam password while logged in. So if you want to see the Steam password while logged in, then what you need to do is just open up your Steam and log into your account. Go with Steam again, which is on the upper left, and go with settings. Under settings, now make sure that you're under the account section. Now under account, you need to go with account details option, which is right here, or you may have an option of change password right here. You can simply click on it. But if you don't have, you need to go with account details. Under account details, now if you scroll down here, you will have account security. Under that, you will have change my password. Just click on change my password, and you can simply choose an email address or send a confirmation to my Steam mobile app, or I no longer have access to the Steam Guard mobile authenticator. You can simply choose any one of these. So I'll be choosing from the mobile app, and it says please launch the Steam mobile app on your mobile device, and then select the confirmation menu option. Confirm the account recovery action in the application, and then press the continue button below. So just launch your Steam mobile app on your mobile device and then go with continue. For security, verify that the code in the box below matches the code that we display on the confirmation page. But in my case, I don't have the mobile application, so I'll be choosing the second one. And you will have another options, which is text and account verification code to the mobile number, and I no longer have access to the phone number. So if you have the phone number, you can go with the first option, and then you will receive the code in the mobile number. And after receiving the code or a text, you need to enter the text, and then you'll be able to change your password and you'll know your password. Or if you again don't know the password, then you can go with I no longer have access to the phone number. And after that, it will take you to the email address. So if you have the email address, you can simply click on the email address. Once you click on the email address, then it will send a code to the email address. So you just need to simply go with the email address and then enter the code that you've received on the email address. So here you can see that I have the Steam verification code. You just need to simply copy the code, and you need to go with the Steam and enter the code. Go with continue, and after that you'll be able to change your password. So that's it. That's how you can know your Steam password while logged in. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.